Guyabano leaves, also known as soursop leaves, are commonly used in traditional medicine in various cultures. They are believed to have potential health benefits, including 1. Antioxidant properties. Guyabano leaves contain compounds like quercetin, acetogenins, and annonacin, which have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Some studies suggest that Guyabano leaves may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could be beneficial for conditions related to inflammation. 3. Anticancer potential. There is ongoing research into the potential anticancer properties of compounds found in Guyabano leaves, specifically acetogenins. However, more research is needed to establish their effectiveness. 4. Antimicrobial. Guyabano leaves have been used traditionally to treat infections. Some studies have indicated their antimicrobial properties against certain bacteria and fungi. 5. Digestive health. In some cultures, Guyabano leaves are used to promote digestive health and relieve stomach-related issues. 6. Blood sugar regulation. There is some evidence to suggest that Guyabano leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It's essential to note that while Guyabano leaves may offer potential health benefits, more scientific research is needed to fully understand their efficacy and safety. If you're considering using Guyabano leaves for medicinal purposes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's appropriate for your specific health needs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video.